I'm surprised that people still believe these myths out here, because I'll read a GQ article sometimes, or I'll hear another person I'll eavesdrop and I'll hear another person give another person style advice, and in my insides I'm like, what? People still believe that? To this day, there's still these style myths that your grandpa or dad have ingrained in you that you think you still have to follow today. Well, today I'm gonna put an end to that and give you these 8 style myths that you've probably heard time and time again to tell you that they're complete bull. If that sounds interesting, top into it. Number 1, there's 2 sets of colors that people tell you to never mix. I'm here to tell you, mix them. I've heard it before. Never wear navy and black together, or never wear brown and black together. I've done this before in multiple outfits, and if you follow me on Instagram, which I suggest you do, you can see a lot of style inspirations where I've done or mixed both of these colors together, and they actually look to work pretty good. The mistake that most guys make with the navy and black scenario is that they're actually trying to compose a monochromatic outfit or make both of them seem as close as possible. When I do it, I make it evident that I'm wearing these separate colors that are both dark that look great together. Number 2, that you should match your belt to your shoes perfectly. It's just unpractical to think that you're gonna have a perfectly matching belt for every shoe in your collection. What you wanna do is to be in the same ballpark, meaning if you have a light brown shoe, make sure you're wearing a light brown belt, even if it's a few or multiple shades off. The only exception to this is that you can go outside the box when you're going casually. If you do decide to pick up some sort of fabric or canvas belt and you're wearing sneakers, they don't even have to match at all. You could wear something as bold as green and orange with a pair of white sneakers. Number 3, if you're fat, you can't wear horizontal lines. While there is truth to this optical illusion, the reality is that if you weigh 250, 300 pounds, horizontal lines won't make you look any bigger, and vertical lines won't make you look like you hit the gym every day. So, go ahead and wear whatever you want as long as it suits your skin complexion and it's perfectly fitted. If that garment fits you perfectly, it's gonna make you look good regardless. Number 4, you only need one good fragrance. This is another myth that I hear all the time, that once you have one signature fragrance, that's all you're gonna need for the rest of your life. There's so many events that you're gonna go to, whether you're at work, you're at school, you're out at a bar, you're out at a date, you're out just running chores, you're at the beach, you're on vacation, it's spring, it's summer, it's winter. There's so many different variables that go into your day that do you really think that one single fragrance can perfectly adjust to all of them? Obviously not. The same way you'll wear different clothing for different seasons and different occasions, your fragrance does the same effect. Now I get it, fragrances can get expensive, and I'm not telling you to go and buy 10 different fragrances and knowing that each one's gonna cost you probably $100. That's unreasonable. What I am telling you is that to actually listen to my advice and go ahead and check out, for example, our sponsor Scentbird. If you've never heard of them, these guys will send you a fragrance every month so you can actually start building a fragrance collection. But the insane part is that it's only $15 a month. That's right, $15, and you're getting designer brand fragrances. Everything from the major design houses like Yves Saint Laurent or Chanel or Gucci. The beauty with Scentbird is that they send you a substantial amount every month that it's supposed to be just a month's worth, but I'm gonna be honest with you guys, you're probably not gonna go through that whole thing in a month, and what's gonna happen is you're gonna start building a collection. How Scentbird works is pretty simple. You're gonna create your own profile, tell them kind of what you like and what you're looking for, and every month they're gonna be sending you a new fragrance. This allows you to explore new different scents that you can start applying to yourself that's gonna just evolve your style overall so you can actually have a scent for every occasion. These guys really want you to try them out, and I want you to see how amazing this service is for you, to the point that for the first month, they're gonna be taking 35% off, meaning this $15 a month fragrance is about to get super affordable to the point that it's a no-brainer. At least try it for a month and see just how amazing it is. On top of that fragrance, you're going to get a casing that's super sleek where you drop every month's fragrance in, and this case is cool because you can carry it around everywhere and you can easily deploy it to apply your fragrance, and it looks pretty sleek and modern. For example, this month, I got the Mercedes-Benz fragrance for men. I've never even smelled this fragrance before, and I would have never experienced how amazing this fragrance was unless I was subscribed to Scentbird. If you also want to receive these amazing fragrances and start building that great collection for yourself, go ahead and click that link down below and take advantage of that crazy offer. Number 5, synthetic fabrics aren't breathable. And I used to believe it myself, but It's not the truth. Why do most performance shorts or performance shirts never are made of 100% cotton? This is because natural fabrics, while they do breathe great, they tend to absorb a lot of sweat, and nobody wants to be drenched when they're performing. We do it ourselves with essentials. We constantly work to formulate new weaves, new fabrics to make sure we're producing some of the best essentials out there. And once you try them, you'll see why natural fabrics sometimes they just can't compete. Number 6, you can only wear dark colors in the winter. Now, there is scientific reason behind this, and that's because obviously dark colors tend to absorb heat and make you feel warmer. It's something that you want to avoid when it's 100 degrees outside. What you want to do is just switch the fabrics. For example, there's this amazing pullover shirt that I love wearing when it comes to summer season, but it's a dark navy. It's made out of a linen cashmere fabric, which is ultra breathable. So it doesn't matter if it is 100 degrees outside, it's just as comfortable as wearing a light colored t-shirt. Number 7, if you're going to work, you gotta wear a tie. In today's day and age, there's more and more startup companies that are removing the traditional workwear attire. And that means that you can be more comfortable while you're at work, which can lead to better performance since you're not so constricted and tied up. That's why many startups are shying away from that traditional workwear attire, meaning that just because you're going to work doesn't necessarily mean that you have to wear a tie. It all depends on what the dress code is for your particular firm or your practice. This is definitely an outdated rule that doesn't apply to all. And finally, number 8, suits are only formal. A suit is made to structure a man so perfectly that it makes you look broader from the top, slimmer from the waist, and overall like an ultimate stud. So if you want to be able to do that while you're casually going on a date, you can by dressing down a suit. I've done it several ways, even to the extreme of wearing a hoodie under a suit or just wearing a suit with the t-shirt and sneakers. This is to break the stigma that suits are only supposed to be worn in formal occasions. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. Those are 8 style myths that you probably have heard of and could even believe that could be limiting your style. If you guys liked this video and found it informative, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Scentbird. If you guys want that insane deal, go ahead and click the link down below. That's it for me in this week's video, guys. See you next time.